the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. Steve Darling and Proactive, and joining me now is Michael Rowley, the President and CEO of Group 10 Metals. And great to see you again. How are you?
Thank you. Glad to be here, Steve.
So you've got a really interesting project. Stillwater West project is where it is. So tell me a little bit about this project and where it is.
It's fantastic. We have quite literally half of the iconic Stillwater district. These are the highest grade palladium and platinum mines in the world.
Okay.
What's perhaps lesser known is that it's one of the biggest layered magmatic systems in the world. So this is really prospective rocks for nickel, copper, cobalt, and of course the PGM metals that are being mined on 3 mines just next door to us.
Yeah. So those metals that everybody's talking about and how they're going to be needed in the future and all that?
Absolutely. Palladium, of course, pushing $2,500 an ounce right now.
Wow.
That's a darling of the sector, right? That's,
yeah. So tell me what's been done on that project so far and what's been happening.
We made the acquisition in 2017
okay.
In the bear market conditions, and that's a theme. That's how we like to do things here. You acquire good assets in the bear market part of the cycle.
Right.
Quickly doubled the land position when we got into the database, got on the ground in 2018. Key event 2019 was drilling for the first time ourselves.
Right.
We have 28,000.
So they've been drilling before?
Yes, there's been a lot of past work.
Okay.
In fact, one of the many things that's fantastic about this project, we're essentially the first group to bring that land position together with this new thinking out of South Africa, this Plat Reef model of mines, with the database. And there's quite literally tens of millions of data. 28,000 meters of core in the database.
Wow.
12,000 meters of core that we actually have in our possession.
That's amazing.
So we've been able to remodel that and bring this new thinking, this new bulk mineable model to this iconic district.
And so you did do some drilling recently and you got some results as well. Tell me about them.
Yeah, we drilled in October, well actually August through October, and in December released our first tranche of results. Those were very well received by the market. It was an excellent proof of concept for us, and that was the Iron Mountain target, that first round.
Right.
It also advances very nicely the mineralized zone that we've been modeling at that target.
Okay.
So these are developing resources.
Right.
We expect to move these along to fully 43-101 compliant resources in the coming months. So that first tranche of drill results was December. The next tranche is coming out very shortly here. We'll be showing off that core tomorrow at the Roundup trade show.
Okay.
Last year's Core Shack at Roundup was a real turning point for the company. We attracted the attention of every major you could name that's relevant to the space. They all came by for a look. It was great fun. We're looking for a similar performance tomorrow.
Nice.
And then there will be further news releases ongoing, further releases of core results, and also soil chemistry programs and other things we were up to.
Yeah, that'll keep you busy through 2020. You doing that, or?
We're looking to do bigger programs in 2020. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, besides that, you also have another asset as well. That one's in Ontario. Tell me about that one.
Yeah, we have 30 kilometers of strike in a very prospective gold belt. We adjoin 4 million high-grade gold ounces, and one of those projects is now on its way to building a mill. This is in the Rainy River Gold Belt of Ontario.
Okay.
Treasury Metals is the one company, and First Mining Goldland Project is the other. They're both doing great work, and this is no longer our focus. So we will be looking to do a good deal on the right terms, at the right time for that ground.
Yeah.
It's low carrying costs for us right now, but I don't think we're getting any value for that in the market.
Right.
Yeah.
So the idea is to stick with Stillwater, which seems to obviously get everyone's attention right now.
Correct.
Good.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds like it's going to be a busy year for you. Thanks for sharing some time with us.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Great to see you again.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right, Michael Rowley, the President and CEO of Group 10 Metals.